No excuses. We have time. Before you come out of bed, we can do some stretches that can help our body to start a good day. So I want to start by placing my legs on my pillow and just feel the relaxation on the lower back. So no tension, just being here for a couple of seconds or a minute will help you to keep your legs relaxed. Getting deeper on that stretch, we lift that pillow and extend the legs, extend the arms, helping to support the hips slightly, back bending in here. And let's just release. Everybody has pillows, so we can play around. Let's just put the pillow underneath the belly and just move the hips. Dropping your body. Breathing in here, relaxing. These are tips for us to start our day, or maybe can be at the end of the day, just to relax. You can take as long as you want. Namaste.